You don't have to do OnlyFans to make $300,000 a year your first job out of college. This is Fang 30 for 30. 30 days of solving LeetCode questions that have been asked in the last 30 days by some of the highest paid companies in the world. Because what good is it to get the interview if you can't pass it? Coming from a guy who's failed interviews at Meta, let me tell you, it sucks. Before we solve the LeetCode questions, be sure to drop a follow because I'm doing this every day for the next 30 days. Let's get into the code. This LeetCode question has been asked by Google in the last 30 days, and it is one of the most foundational dynamic programming questions. It's called climbing stairs, and you are climbing a staircase that takes n steps to reach the top. You can either climb 1 or 2 steps, and how many distinct ways can you climb to the top? So when n is 2, there are 2 ways to climb to the top, either climbing on each of those steps or taking 1 double step. This example actually contains the base cases for our algorithm. What we're gonna do is remember the number of ways to reach the step above the current step and the step 2 steps above the current step. So let's code it up. We're gonna first initialize the variable previous and the variable previous. These are both gonna be set to 1, and these are gonna be our base cases. Then all we're gonna do is iterate from the last 2 steps down in reverse. We can do that in Python like this. We're gonna save the variable that's in our previous step and then set our previous step to the sum of the previous step and the previous step. How many times can you say previous? This is because the amount of ways you can reach each step is dependent on the 2 steps in front of it. Now all we do is set previous equal to that temp variable we saved, and then we just return previous. And just like that, when we submit our code, we will see that it's not too bad.